Hi, welcome to the video 34 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you are going to learn how to crop and mask the footage so that you can add multiple things and showcase to the viewer at once. First, I'll show you how to crop a footage. After that, I'll show you how to mask anything. Once you are in Premiere Pro, go to the effects panel and search for the effect called crop. By default, if you select any layer and go to the effects control, you can see the option under the motion tab, crop left, right, like that. Don't use this, guys. You don't get much controls. That's why go to the effects panel and search for the crop, drop to the layer. So now if you want to crop it, you can increase the percentage from left or right, top, bottom, anywhere as you like. If you want to redo all the things, simply press this reset button. That's it. And I'll show you one tip here. If you select the crop like this, you can see the highlights are showing here. Just drag like this so that you can perfectly crop to where you want. So you don't need to struggle for this percentage sliders. Okay. And next thing is edge feather. This is really important if in case you are blending with any other things. For example, if I place any white color below it, you can see how it is looking like. If in case you want that sharp cuts, make sure it is at 0. So yeah guys, this is how you can crop the footage. I mean, whether it is photo, video, anything. Now I'll show you how to do masking as well as applying a Gaussian blur to it, especially for the faces. So let's say I want to mask only this face, I mean my face. For this, go to the opacity panel, and if you want, you can draw a like free curves like this, and even if you want, you can change, I mean you can change the position, smoothness and everything as you like. But since it is a face, what I do is I simply select this ellipse mask. It will create ellipse like this, and I move it, and if I want, I can change it. Once it is done, since it is a still image, it's very easy to do this. If in case you are working with a video, after this you click on this option, track selected mask forward, so that it tracks automatically like this, and keyframes will be added. And make sure you select this wrench icon and enable the position, scaling and rotation, so that it is going to be accurate. If you want like 100% accuracy, you go like frame by frame by clicking this, only frame by frame. And as you can see here, new keyframes are added. For each keyframe, if you want, you can change it. So once you are happy with that, what I do is I duplicate this layer. For the below layer, I delete the mask. Now you are seeing everything as the same as before, but above layer is the masked layer. For this, I'm applying the Gaussian blur. Go to the effects panel and search for the Gaussian blur. Apply to this. Next, under the Gaussian blur, you can increase it. As you can see, it actually masked out where we did the masking. That's it. So this is how you can crop the footage, followed by masking and applying the Gaussian blur effect. That's pretty much about the video, guys. See you again in the next video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for instant updates.